Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is John from Volkswagen Planet, coming to you from a nice, warm, pleasant, beautiful day here in Tampa, Florida. Temperature is about 81 degrees. We are in a overcast day. We've got some rains coming in a couple of hours, so that means our temperatures are going to be dropping down to the probably low 50s, maybe mid 60s during the day. But that's what we consider to be our cold weather here. It does get a little cooler, but this is our typical weather in our winter. So let me show you what I've been working on today. First, I want to say thank you guys for all the comments and responses and sharing with others about the wiring identification, the wire that I was trying to identify. I think that we've got a pretty good census on where that wire goes to, how it goes to, and so I'm pretty secure about that wire, and I feel pretty good about its locations and everything else. So let me show you what I was working on today. And how this wire came up is, this is what the other, I guess the popular choice and the responses were. So let me show you what I actually did today. So I'm going to take you over to the book, and I'm going to find you the door pin. And this is the driver's side door pin, and this, like you guys were saying about the brown wire on top and the brown and white wire going, across to the other pin and everything else. And it goes to the grounds, and you guys were 100% correct about that. So what I did was I went over to my 70 convertible, and I borrowed this relay, or this buzzer. And what it was is, it's an 85 and an 86 prong, and the 85 is a red wire, and the red wire goes up to the fuse box, and the 86 is the gray wire, and the gray wire connects, let's see if we can find it here, connects into the door pin. Now this circuit and everything else takes that, and it also feeds the switch, the light. So when the door opens, when the buzzer, here, let me find it here, when the door pin gets depressed, it opens it up, and it tells the light to come on, and then the buzzer comes on, which was the I think it's H3 in the diagram. But this is a pretty unique situation, because if you come down in the ledger, you don't find anything that talks about the H3. So I had to reach out to a couple of YouTubers, and they were more than happy to explain to me what that was. So back to the I guess you could call this the buzzer. So I hooked that up, and I want to show you guys what the end result was in this situation. So we're back at the car, looking at this is the driver's side door, and if you walk up to the car like you normally would do, you open the door, and can you guys hear that? That's the buzzer. So now we've got, when the pin is depressed, it goes off. But as soon as the door is opened, it comes on. Now, all that ties into the interior light that we dealt with earlier in the week. So I'm going to push the pin in, and watch. The buzzer goes off, and the light goes off. So this is what this is what we were actually got 100% complete today, this week. So I think it's a very good, strong week to end on this positive note. Again, light comes on. The door is open, the button. So I cleaned it up because it was full of dirt. Close the door. Buzzer goes away. The buzzer goes off. And it's also, if you ever strip a car, make sure you throw all your wires and relays and stuff like that, so you can always do test results or test your items versus stripping cars like I have to do. So I just want to say thank you guys again. And like I said, I got the Bentley manual, some printouts, And like I said, this has been extremely helpful, using all the factory color wires, so you can't go wrong. Like I said, I want to say thank you guys again for reaching out, all of the wires, all the comments about this and that, taking the time, researching, making sure that your information was correct. So when you respond to me, it was correct, so you can help others in the same situation. I greatly appreciate it. So we can scratch this off our list and we can move on to the next thing. So this has been a very positive week. Like I said, my time is very short on a daily basis, so I think I'm really knocking these things out pretty quick. I'm only averaging between a half hour to an hour a day at best. So I think this is very positive. I think it's very positive to others that you can do it too. And take your time. If you gotta wait till tomorrow, walk away. Don't get frustrated. Don't take shortcuts. And in the end, you guys will win. So as always, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment or don't. Just stay safe, stay warm, be positive. You guys will finish the project just like I do. May take an extra day or two, but it will be well worth it in the end. Thanks for viewing. Thanks for commenting. We'll catch you on the next video.